Now that you've defeated King Slime, probably, it's now time to lay down the female version of the King of the Slime. Oh, wait, what? Queen Slime. She's probably like the first hard mode boss you'd want to go for, to be honest. She's Hallow themed and can only be summoned in the Hallow biome. The way you summon her is by using a gelatin crystal, which is found in the underground Hallow amongst the crystal shards. This boss is completely optional, just like that guy, but I still recommend defeating her as she may reward you with some nice early hard mode armor, coins and useful items such as the blade staff. Right, okay, let's talk about the actual fight. If you're just straight up using one weapon at a time for this stuff, if you're just using a freaking sword for this, if you're not even attacking, what the fuck? Then a good strategy is to swap between two weapons, something like a repeater and the crystal storm. Like some other bosses, Queen Slime has minions, the crystal slime, which fires several crystals upward, the heavenly slime, which is basically just a flying slime from the heavens, and the bouncy slime, which fire bouncing projectiles towards the player. So that's all of her minions. And before we go any further, I just want to quickly show you a strategy for Queen Slime, which is what I did for the first time I did it, and it worked quite alright, so I want to share it with you, so that you don't spend like hours trying to defeat Queen Slime, which causes you to rage, scream and shout, throw things around the room like an absolute monkey, and ask mum for a new controller.
What the fuck? I don't fucking stop screaming! Stop!
Basically what you could do is get a whole buttload of platforms, and I'm talking like thousands, because you're gonna build a bridge from one floating island to the other, to the other, to the other. Then you're just gonna summon that bitch like it's nothing, run in one direction, and just keep on shooting behind you, and you should be golden. By the way, once she's at half health, she grows wings, and she starts flying. I know, it's actually kind of nuts. But anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what armor you should use. If you haven't already got better armor, then you should probably just use the Palladium armor set, as it provides greater life regeneration after striking an enemy, and this lasts for 5 seconds. But only the Palladium armor, not Cobalt, and you have to be wearing the full set for it to work, so yeah. Do potions matter for the fight? Yes, a lot actually. Probably the most important potion for this stuff is the Life Force potion, because it increases your maximum life by 100, I think. And the Greater Healing potions, which restore 150 life when needed, which is great, man! Another useful potion would be the Invisibility potion, as this will decrease enemy spawn rates and prevent the heavenly slimes from chasing you. And a few more potions you should definitely consider are the Thorns potion, the Archery potions, and the Swiftness potion. The Thorns potions make attackers take damage as well. When an enemy hurts you, they hurt them. And the Archery potion is bloody amazing because it increases arrow damage and speed by 20%. Damn! And last but not least, the Swiftness potion just makes you run faster, which is, you know, cool. Right, I think that should wrap up the video. Yeah! If you for some reason enjoyed, smack the like button. But if you really loved the video, like and subscribe. And oh yeah, wait, actually, before you go, I just wanted to say one last thing. Bye! Probably look like a retard man.